LumiCraft is a new tool in the SANIX3D Studio ecosystem that helps you create custom LED installations right from home using a 3D printer. You can use your own images or choose from the LumiCraft gallery. Every parameter can be customized to match your specific needs. Watch a live preview of how your model will be assembled directly on the print bed before you start printing. Need to create a larger installation but have a small 3D printer? No problem. The automatic split feature divides your model into printable sections, allowing you to print projects of virtually any size. Creating custom text is just as easy. LumiCraft includes a huge collection of fonts, and you can also upload your own custom fonts. Choose the internal structure that best fits your project and purpose. Every construction parameter can be adjusted quickly and easily with built-in recommendations for wall thickness, height, clearances, spacing, and much more. Need cable openings? You have two options. Place them manually, exactly where you want them, or use predefined cable holes positioned along the edges of the letters. Customize the colors of every part to get a realistic preview of your final project before printing. When you export your project, every STL file is generated as a separate part, giving you complete flexibility during assembling. Visit SANIX3D Studio today and start creating with LumiCraft.